Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm gonna take you to a Bangkok district called Nakon Pathom. It was rush hour that time. It took us 15 minutes to find a grab going there. And you will be traveling 30 to 40 minutes going there. We paid 391 Thai baht and took us 37 minutes to After the Rain Coffee and Gallery. It's a hidden gem to chill from a busy city life Bangkok, which has a jungle-like oasis where you can take an Instagrammable photos. I just saw this place from a photo in Google and decided to include this one in our itinerary. What you see on the picture is what it looks like in actual. You can enjoy an open-ended boating here for free. You just need to dine here or order anything. It was said that After the Rain is from the reason why there are water in here, that the water did not dried up after a heavy rain. It was indeed a blessing in disguise, as this is one of the most visited place or cafe in Bangkok. And since it was already 3 p.m., we decided to take our lunch here. Our table was originally at front area near the entrance. However, we decided to go in a hot cottage so that we could take a nice photo there. We ordered the recommendation and bestsellers. Estimated prices are on the screen. We requested the tom yum to be served without chili or not spicy. But they will give you a chili paste if you want to add a little spice on it. Because I tell you, when they say that it's spicy, it's no joke. Thank you.
May 100 ka nga taga lubok ka. Dili na ako masakay anak kay Murag. Dili ako sa ulo.
It was indeed a fun and unique experience for me. We really enjoyed the view and most especially the food. It was really delicious and the price is so affordable. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next vlog.